Hi, hi, Chris. Today I will take a video to talk about rainy season. As I said before, uh, the government they are building a new drain near my house to improve the drainage. It is were is it prepare for the next rainy season. Is going to come on next month or on August because because they built they built one drain 5 years ago, but is large enough to drain the water. So the my neighborhood and my house are are, are flooded uh, in the rainy season when the rain lasts long day. Uh, so uh, so when the the rainy season we nowadays we it's hard to say exactly what time what time the rainy season come, but normally the rainy season will come on the end of July or on August. Um, so so the when the in the rainy season when the rain lasts long day, the city will be flooded. E- Even though we had drains on the streets, mm, the but the city has the bad infrastructure, and they has a bad drainage, so the water uh, can can drain can drain quickly, so the water drain too quickly. So the city city is a city will be flooded. So I think I have many reasons to lead the to lead the lead to the this situation, but I think we have two main reasons because Vietnam had the bad infrastructure, and the tree the the and because we cut off almost tree on the mountain, so uh, the mountain without trees, so the mountain don't have a tree to absorb the water because tree. um, so on the all so all the water run off from the mountain, and because tree have the because tree have more water is absorb, and tree make the water slow down, so the water uh, it, uh, the water is don't doesn't drain too quickly, so and it can the water go to the ocean. So the city won't be flooded, but we cut off all the tree on the mountain, and our structure is bad. It's too bad. So the water um, can drain can drain and the water rate too quickly, so the all almost city uh, are flooded when the rainy season come. So I think the government they should invest more money to improve the drainage to make such as uh, they made a drain bigger, and they build more drain to drain the water easier. So yeah, because if we if the government don't don't do like that, the and don't do like that, so many people they waste of money every year because floods destroy many things such as furniture, behind foods, and our health as well. Even the flood can uh, e- e- even the people can die because of floods. So I think the uh, floods is make make life more difficult. So we should improve the drainage, improve infrastructure, the infrastructure. So yeah, so and I met, but I think because of nowadays we build more infrastructure, we build more train, but but the government they don't do it well. They don't have a good uh, good technology or good engineering. So the water can't can't drain well. Mm, Many years ago, uh, I rarely to see flood uh, flood in my city, but nowadays, but 5 year 5 for 5 year we, for from 5 years ago I my house my house is flood every year because of they built a drain near my house. Yeah, so mm, even though the flood and the rainy season um, is the is ruin many things, but I like the rainy season because I always feel better when the rainy season come because the weather is not too hot like the summer. Is the colder, and I love the rainy sounds. I have I I I like to hear. I like to listen to the rainy sound. So and I feel the relaxed and comfortable when I hear those. So I love the rainy season. Uh, yeah. So but the when the rainy season come, um, clothes will get wet. Will get wet because the we are lack of sun, and we can't dry the clothes outside. So mm, we maybe we will have to use the more electricity on in the rainy season, but um, we have something in something is inconvenient in rainy season, but I I like I like I like rainy season. Mm, and in uh, the rainy season will affect to my commute because in the rainy season I have a longer commute. Mm, for example, when in the summer or dry season, I um, I go to the off I go to my office. It takes 30 minutes, but in the rainy season, I have to spend more time mm, to go to the, the office, and so I have a longer commute. It takes around 40 minutes. Yeah, and I will get I will get wet because I go by I go to the office by the motorbike. So mm, I don't like it. I don't like it. But now when I change my job, and I have my company has a uh, suitable, so I can go to the office by suitable. So I don't have a difference between the rainy season and dry season. It takes around 50 minutes. 50 my commute is around 50 minutes. So and in the rainy season, many people they don't like to socialize because they will get wet when they hang they hang out. Uh, but I think the nowadays we have more more application than before, and we have more service than before, so we can choose the hang out with uh, hang out with friends by the taxi, by the grab grab car, and the Sen FM. Sen FM is application service or VinFast. Yeah, I think it's okay. and it's cheaper than taxi, so you can use this service to hang out with friend and hang out with family. So and you can go to the restaurant or something like that. So you can enjoy social life as well. Mm. So I think I think the rainy season is is not too bad. So mm, so everyone can enjoy the rainy season. Yeah, I love rainy season because the rainy season will lead to many things, many many bad things because the flood, yeah, floods and storm, mm, and another effect, another effect from the floods and rainy season when the rain lasts long day and and we live uh, and when the flood come and go away and the rain lasts long day so the wall and the floor will still wet. It's still wet, so the wall will get mold. And because of mold like wet and dark, so mold and mildew, mildew will grow so too fast. Too fast. But mold is the very unhealthy to breathe. If we breathe mold for many years, it will become a big problem. Maybe you will get cancer. You will get cancer when you breathe the mold for many years. So so I think we should build a home with the wall and floor can replay. Such my our company product. We produce the fiber cement board. My our product our product brand is the Duraflex. So you can you should use our product um, to build to 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 build a wall and a floor. So when you because we live in central Vietnam and the central Vietnam because of we located on the central and we have a long beach side. So uh, we will have we will have many storm or of floods every year. So your house will get wet every year. Maybe your house don't have don't your house wasn't flooded, but the wall the wall the wall um, will get wet when the rainy season come and the rain last long days. So and many year later the wall the mold will grow our the grass. So you should replace the grass. Replace the grass. So if you use the fiber, cement, wall, or wood to make the house, so it's the I think it's a good one. So if it's the where if the more growing too much, so and you don't want to breed the more for many years, so you can replace the wall. It's easy to do it. Yeah, so I think it's a good uh, solution. I think it's a good solution for the home in the central Vietnam. We should you should build a house with the wall can replace easily. Yeah, that is all my thoughts about rainy season. Yeah, thank you for watching my video, and please give me some comments as usual. Thank you so much.